Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have two Walmart beauty boxes here today. These should be the spring boxes. And I have version 4 and version 1 are my two boxes right there. So let's see what's in them. I just took the outer wrapping off, the little cellophane outer wrapping. So I'll do let's do box 1 first, B1. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I just pulled the stuff off. So these are the spring boxes, Beauty in Bloom. Like less and less products, it looks like on the paper. This is a little sneak peek right here. Okay, interesting. From Revolution, I have translucent baking powder. You know, like a setting powder. You can bake under your eyes with it, things like that. I don't do that. These are always great to have for travel, for when you run out. I have like probably 6 or 7 of them in my samples drawer. This is Degree Advanced 72-hour, probably like an antiperspirant, like deodorant. Nice little, oh, I do this every time. I always pull the top off when I do that. Nice little spray, but great for travel. Great, just like I said, if you run out, you always have something. So I always keep a whole bunch of them. So then in here, which I had no idea this brand even had shampoo. So these are from CeraVe Anti-Dandruff Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. I mean, I don't have dandruff, but I don't know. I mean, you really could use it. It doesn't, to me, it doesn't matter. The same thing with shampoo and conditioner for color-treated hair. They're just putting more hydration in the products because usually if you color treat your hair is going to be dry. It's going to be damaged. So they're just putting extra good stuff in to help keep your hair hydrated and moisturized. So, like, am I going to intentionally buy it? No, but if somebody, like my sister gave me a whole bunch of them, well, why wouldn't I use it? There's nothing wrong with it. And I do get highlights every once in a while to brighten up my natural blonde. So, you know, it's still hydrating your hair. And then lastly, so that's 3, 4, 5 products. From Nair, I have Face and Bikini Wax Ready Strips. I'm not a big wax strip person at all. And then you get, you know, some here and a couple here. So how many did you get in here? 8 wax strips. So there's probably 4 and 4. You know, like I said, I'm not real big on waxing, so I would be like, on that. I would have loved to have received, out of all of this, I wouldn't have mind getting the CoverGirl mascara or the NYX Professional Makeup, the Face Glue Gripping Primer to try in this, but I didn't get it, so it's no big deal. If I really want it, I'll buy it. But if it came in a box, that would be nice. And then this is the B4 box. They weigh about the same, so I'm not sure what the difference is. Beauty in Bloom, obviously, and let's see. This one's card's a little bit different. It almost looks like everybody was supposed to have gotten the products on these pages, but I don't, that's how it always was in the past. But so far, I don't see that. I'm just looking. No, I don't see it. Here, from the first product is from Hero. And these are your Mighty Patch, the original. You get 6, you know, obviously acne patches. I share them. This I do love. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. I'm just going to leave it in here because I'm not going to be putting this stuff away for right now. So this is from Garnier, and I love, love, love their micellar water. This is for waterproof makeup. I love these little samples for eyeliner on a Q-tip, and a couple swipes, it's off. Mascara. I just take a Q-tip or a cotton round and just wipe, and it comes right off. I'm not, sometimes, you know, trying to get, especially if you're using waterproof mascara, you know, you're rubbing, well, your eyelash, some of your eyelashes can fall out. Yeah, do they fall out naturally? Of course they do. But why speed up the process and thin your lashes? So I love these little samples for the makeup remover, the waterproof, solely for that. Like I probably have 2 of these in my bathroom right now, and I'll add this one in there because I do use it. Q-tip and get eyeliner and mascara off. It's one of the best things I have found, and one that is, there's no damage, and it doesn't sting your eyes like if you get it it gets in your eyes. Then we have a little sample of Dove deodorant, which is nice. What are you? What is this right here? So this is Bubble Soft Launch Hydrating Cream Cleanser. Oh, and it's a little tiny pump. Never even heard of Bubble. Not bad to try. And I have one more product here. And this is from Steve Madden. And this is Goldie Eau de Parfum. It's $20 for a full size. And it looks like that little heart. And it looks like it has a gold top that you pull off. And here's what it looks like. I don't want to spray it on me because I've been sneezing today. So this will just make it worse. And that really smells good though. A floral woody fragrance. It does give you like notes and stuff, but I can't see that right now. Out of everything that you could have gotten, I'm happy with what I have in version 4. I know there's lots of versions, but I'm rarely unhappy with my Walmart beauty boxes. I think they're worth the money. Try products, you know, see if you like them. Now, I missed the last couple in Macy's. I don't think we got perfume samples, and I missed them because it's a good way to see if you like a perfume or not. There's little vials. You can get quite a few uses. Usually I can tell the first or second, if I spray something and I automatically don't like it, it's too musky or too woodsy, I don't even put it on my body. Like, I'll spray it on like a piece of paper and let it marinate for a little bit and then sniff it. And if it's too much of that, then I won't wear it. But that one smells good. And I don't mind florally, fruity with a little woodsy because sometimes you need that as your base. And, you know, there's some men's cologne out there that smell wonderful on women. So, do you get the Walmart beauty boxes? If you do, I would love to know. Did you get your spring box yet? And if you did, what version did you get? Are you happy with it? You know, like, I'm always thrilled when these come. They're once a season, so it's not like you're over inundated with product. A few little samples. I have a whole drawer back here that's full of samples. I mean, there's other stuff in there now. All my samples go in this little drawer. So, look, and I have here, I have all my brush cleaners and extra stuff like that. Here is all face masks and some SPF. And the end one is like extra shampoos, conditioners, masks, hair masks. I mean, I'm trying to think what else is in there. I think that's pretty much it. Like, I can't put everything in my bathroom or in the linen closet. So I just use that N1. And if I only get one and not the other, like, I'll order the other. This way I like same shampoo, same conditioner. So I'm glad that CeraVe sent both so that I can at least try it out. But I've never even, I didn't know they made like shampoo conditioner. I figured it was all like face products. So thank you for watching, everyone. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.